We bought the cheapest Audi S1 in the UK for just £6,000. But when getting it back to our workshop, we found many reasons why it was so cheap. One of the most noticeable being the terrible wrap and the equally shocking paintwork underneath. And that's why in this video, we'll be sending it over to our body shop for a complete transformation.
Right then, another S1 video. So we're just outside Darkside Paint and Body, which is our body shop. So if you watched the previous videos, we bought what we thought were a car that needed a full paint, which it doesn't look like it is. It got an horrible wrap, which we took off. It's very heavy, so we've made it lighter and deleted the Quattro system. My phone's ringing, which is not good. Ready for the cage going in and the carbon bucket seats. So hopefully by the time I'm back off holiday, these guys have painted all the bits that look horrible, transformed it into what once was one of the worst S1s in the country, I'm pretty sure, maybe the world, and hopefully turn it back into one of the okay ones. There's some very tiny ones, so I'm not saying one of the better ones. This is for the camera. I've told Adam not to do a perfect job, so it won't be perfect, and Adam's assuring me he's going to do it quick and not perfect. Hey Adam.
Yeah, I can try and work it out.
So we're finally here. It's taken far longer than it should have done, not because of anything in the body shop, but basically these arches took forever to arrive. So ignore what's happening inside the car. That's probably later on. But it's done. I told Adam, don't let it run away with its scent. We just want it to look the same colour, because it will get scratched and scraped at some point when it's on track. That's just inevitable. Be nice to say that that ain't going to happen, but it does. If you're going to have your car and keep it mint on track, you PPF it or you don't track it. So yeah, happy with that. The Archer's stuck in customs forever, don't know why. Not sure we've gained exactly what we wanted to gain. We kind of have realised in between all this that the diameter of the wheel with the offset and the arc of the suspension, the scrub radius, whatever you want to call it, it's really close at the back. So I don't think we're going to see the real benefit of these wide arches until we maybe put a bit more caster on there and change the offset of the wheel a little bit, maybe wider arms, and then that should give us a bit of a better scrub radius. We can probably go in on the offset rather than out. I don't know, we'll see. Cheers to the lads in the body shop for getting it sorted. And yeah, I don't even know what video we're in at the minute, but we're in a video, and the next one should be interesting. The thing that's laying it down externally now, it's obviously totally standard. The brakes look terrible, but that's a future video. That's not happened yet, in the past or the future, or soon, or now, or whenever. But yeah, we're going to get that sorted. I think this is what it's going to look like for its first track day externally. Whether we do anything else, I don't know. So yeah, stick around and watch what we've got going next, and hopefully this will be on track sometime soon.